Hey guys, so here we have a Hampton Bay Farmington ceiling fan, and I made a video of this a while back, like I did with many others. Just didn't get around, it wasn't the best video, so that's why I'm remaking it. There's the light. It's got like one of those Edison bulbs in like an amber glass, so it's kind of darker. Alright, I'll turn that off. Start it on low forward. I'll have to zoom in a little bit because it kind of sits far away. You know, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like the blade brackets on this thing kind of look like pig snouts. Maybe the light would actually help. Let's see. Oh. First we'll bring it up to medium. And then we'll try the light. Makes it a little easier to see. All right, let's bring it up to high. You know, for being a cheaper fan, this thing, it's not too bad power-wise. Especially, we're just distributing the heat from the vent that's right next to it, as you guys can see. This one is flush mounted as well, although it's much harder to see. I can't really get a good view of the top. I mean, I think when I reverse it, might be able to get you guys a little view. But we'll see. Every fan in this house is flush mounted, I think, except for the outside, the grating, not the Hampton Bay grating, the Home Decorator Collection thing. All right. Let's see here. Right here so I can reach the reverse switch. Where is it? Right here. There we go. Hopefully that was a good view of the flush mount system. Let's start on low now. I think that'll do it. Although I don't think this fan is really ever run in reverse because, I mean, for this location anyway, it's not really needed. I mean, I guess it kind of helps a little, but it's in more open space, so putting it in reverse really wouldn't do much. Oh, all right, I think I passed the 30-second threshold, so let's bring it up to medium. Yeah, I definitely passed the 30-second threshold, but that's fine. The motor hums ever so slightly. I doubt you guys can hear that on camera, but kind of hear it in person here. Actually, let me see if I can like... You can kind of hear it. Not that well, but kind of. I'm just going to turn it off at the switch.
Good morning.
Shut that off. Go back to eating where I found it. And then when it's done, I'll have to put it back and forward, but otherwise, that is all. I'll of course let it spin down though. So. It's facing up, you're fine. I think this one might have a slightly longer spin down in reverse, but not sure. It's just, yeah. And yeah, I do kind of, maybe I'm the only one who sees this, but I do really think that those blade brackets kind of look like pig snouts, like really, really big pig snouts. There's no way that's what they were going for, but to me, that's just kind of what they look like. I think we're going to stop here in a sec. Alright guys, that is all. Thank you for watching, and remember, stay cool everybody.